finally fell asleep. The laptop's glowing on the bedside stand. Spreadsheets open, pen still in your hand. You've been fighting battles with the florists and the cooks, worrying about the photos and the way the table looks. But seeing you resting, hair messy on a pillow. You're stronger than the old, but you bend just like a willow. I know the pressure's heavy, I know you want it perfect, but baby, look at us, yeah, we already worth it. I don't need the lights, I don't need the crowd, I don't need the music playing way too loud. I just need this moment, quiet and true, watching you dream from my point of view. Let the world spin, let the plans wait. I'm already standing at the heavenly gate, just loving you. You talk about the budget, you talk about the stress, worrying if the guests will like the way you dress. But I've seen you in sweatpants, I've seen you in tears, and that's the version of you I love for all my years. So when you wake up, I'll pour the coffee strong, tell you that you're right, even when you're wrong. Cause this wedding is a day, but you are my life. I can't wait for the moment I'll call you my wife. Sleep tight, missus. Da, da, da.